So you're looking to start a YouTube channel. Where do you begin? What's your channel going to be all about? How do we get started? And so on. The list goes on, right, when it comes to it. I thought the same thing. As a matter of fact, whenever I do a YouTube video, I always keep pad with me and my trusty pen, and I like to jot down notes to just, refer back to later on in case I'm watching a video. If I didn't know where I seen that particular topic or information, I want to write it down. So my suggestion is, if you're going to start a YouTube channel, always keep a pen and pad with you and jot down information because, you may forget it in the interim of it all, especially if you're doing a lot of research like I do. Now, you can't see it here, but I have quite a few windows open up. And what I want to share with you guys is, as a matter of fact, I wrote this even on my pad too, because sometimes I forget what I want to share with you guys. In regards to starting a YouTube channel, I wrote over here, know what I found hard about starting a YouTube channel was coming up with new content. That's one of the things I found hard, very hard to come up with new content on a daily basis. The other thing I wrote is, and you know what else, is how I found is how to start a YouTube channel. Now, I'm among friends and relatives that ask me, well, what's your YouTube channel about? I get that question all the time. I get it from my sister, brother, aunts, and uncles, whatever, and friends. And they say, well, what is your YouTube channel about? What do you talk about? They're curious. Their minds are going, the wheels are turning, so to speak. They want to know what's going on. And I basically tell them, I share my passions and talents with people. Okay? Plain and simple. When I first started out on YouTube back in 2013, I was doing demo videos, sneak peek videos, and intro videos. And I told them I had to give kudos to eBay because they're the ones that got me started with my YouTube channel. Seriously. I mean, people might say, that's you're attributing your starting YouTube channel from eBay? Absolutely. If it wasn't for eBay, I probably wouldn't have my channel where it is today. Well, thanks to the help of my subscribers, thanks to you guys out there who have given me the opportunity and the chance to put my videos out there, and hopefully you like them and you hit that subscribe button, and that's what got it started it all there. But what I want to show you guys is, I'm going to go over here. I got some windows open up with eBay. So I got eBay in mind with YouTube. And did you guys know that with Socialblade, they have a teaching course there where you could also learn? I don't know if you guys know that, and for some of you who may not know what Socialblade is, because I told people, like I said, my friends and relatives say, if you check people out, you can always check out YouTube creators to find out when they started and so on and so forth by just going to socialblade.com. And that's what it is. It's www.socialblade.com. And when you go in there, you do a search and you type in the YouTube creator's username, and it will give you the information, the date they start, what category they're in, and so on and so forth. And supposedly, quote unquote, the money they make on that's an estimated monthly and yearly basis, which right now, even though my channel is monetized, I can honestly say I am not making any money off my YouTube channel. But, it does take time. Like I said again, I am still learning, and that's what I want to show you right now over here. Let me click this over here. Here is my channel dashboard. Well, I bumped out of here. Sorry, guys. Unprepared, as usual. Not really, but today I am. So let me just fix this over here so you get a little better idea. Okay, this is my channel dashboard, okay? And you go through it through YouTube Studio. And what I like about it is it helps you, YouTube, once you become monetized, they will put these little things out there to help you out. Like, for example, they have over here, check it out, and ideas for you, okay? They have other things too about sponsorships and what do you call super chats and so on and forth. YouTube will go out of their way to help you out in getting your channel noticed out there. It takes time. Getting it monetized was a big thing for me because that's when all the opportunities had opened up for me, okay, as far as that part there. Now, I don't do super chats. I haven't gone live, as you guys know. I'm a little standoffish with that right now because I don't know, going live and stuff like that, how many people would show up. And, I don't want to waste your time, plain and simple. If I'm going to go live, doing a live video with you guys where we have the live chats and stuff like that, it's got to be something I think that it's going to be helpful to you guys, and you're going to get a takeaway from it. I don't want to just go do a live video and say, hey, today I sold this, that, and the other thing on YouTube, on eBay, and, and see the response and stuff like that there. I don't know. I'm still working with that there, okay? I'm still even thinking about changing my banner around too. So there are still things that I am still learning when it comes to, getting my channel up to the next level, so to speak. But I just want to share with you guys, though, some information. And I'm going to click out of here really quick. But like over here, just to show you really quick, it says your monthly roundup. It says get the latest of everything you need to know as a creator. Watch this month's creator roundup for all your updates. And it says hit the checkout button here to check it out. And then over here it says ideas for you. How videos get discovered. Learn how the YouTube search and discovery system works and what actions you could take to help your videos reach more viewers. Okay, and then what I'll say, start now. You click that on. But anyway, let's close this out and let's go to Socialblade. Now, when you go to Socialblade, again, this is the one I was talking about before. When you type in a user's name, okay, a YouTube guy's name or guy or whatever, and you type the username in here and you hit that little magnifying glass, it's going to give you the information about them. But that's besides the point. You could do that at your own leisure. But I want to show you something. When you scroll down here, yes, there's Mr. Beast, of course. He's there. You're going to see here, this is the educational part of it, okay? For example, look, rank your videos, learn about Socialblade EDU, find influences, learn about Socialblade reports, grow your channel, learn about your YouTube consulting, business API, learn about your YouTube network, and then it'll go on to give you some more information. Now, when you keep scrolling down, again, I love researching things. I love it. I could sit here all day doing this stuff, and I could sit here all day talking to you guys about the things I like to do and how I come about them. Okay. But what I want to show you guys, like I said, again, you could do this on your own time and when you have the time. Like over here, for the example here, this one here. Do you need help becoming a YouTube rock star? I would love to be a YouTube rock star. That's what I'm shooting. Well, not be shooting a rock star like a singer or anything, but I would love to become successful enough where, I can make a substantial living with it through, AdSense or whatever, but that's neither here nor there. That comes later on. But when you come all the way down here to the bottom, if you see over here, you'll see Socialblade blog, Socialblade tools, Socialblade business API, YouTube EDU. When you click this on, it's going to bring you to this window here. Okay, Socialblade EDU. Now, a lot of people may not know that there. They might say, well, geez, I didn't know YouTube, Socialblade teaches and stuff like that. They do. And they have a whole bunch. What you see here is these are all active hyperlinks. And for those who follow me on this YouTube channel, I am not being funny when I say this here. If you're ever wondering what an active hyperlink is, folks, when you see this arrow turn into a hand, that is an active hyperlink. And I'm not trying to be cute or funny. Some people may not know. I'm being upfront and honest. Some people may not know what that is. But anyway, it goes on to say here, this is YouTube 101, Socialblade EDU course. It says this series is designed a brand new inspiring YouTubers who are just getting started with their channels. We'll share tips to creating a killer channel and the basics of building up your subscriber base. Okay, that's an active hyperlink. So when you click it on, it's going to probably most likely take you to this one right here. Welcome to YouTube 101, right? So you click this on, it's going to take you here. Okay, now you're going to have an intro. Okay, well, this is going to be the first one here. And when you click it, it's going to say how to YouTube brand your new how to YouTube brand new YouTubers. Okay, all right. So I'm just trying to get assimilated here what's going on here. So anyway, when you click this on, you're going to get this. I think her name is Jennifer. I think her name, or Jessica, whatever. She will walk you through each one of those things. Okay, and then I'll say the next episode. And when you click the next episode on, it's going to take you to another one. How should you upload how should I upload my videos on YouTube? And it goes on and on and on, and you can keep doing it. And if necessary, if you want, you could always go back to the previous one you just seen. Okay. So that's with Socialblade. That's why I like Socialblade. I mean, it's very helpful, and if you can't get anything out of it, I don't know what to tell you, folks, but it is a very helpful thing. And again, that's what you want to do when you come here just go to the Socialblade. When you come here, just look for YouTube EDU, click it on, and it will bring you to this window here. And if you want to skip around, okay, if you want to skip around here, you could do that at your own leisure. You could skip around and go to different ones. You could check out all the different ones they got here. All right. So that's what we got going on here. They got quite a bit here, right? And then you got number 23, collaborate. Okay. All right. And they always have little advertisements here. And again, you could just go like this here and click it on here. Start. Here's another one. Welcome to YouTube 102. So again, they're putting the information out there, folks. Please take advantage of it. Okay. YouTube will help you out. Socialblade will help you out. And for some people didn't know that there, that's why I'm putting it out here. Okay, I'm looking over here. My screen is I'm not in sync here for some reason. I apologize about that, folks. My computer, I upgraded the memory on it, and it's not working as good as I hoped. So I don't know if it's just the software, the system settings I have here. I do apologize for the jolting here. I don't know. I don't have too many things running on the background here, but apparently it seems like something is slowing me up. Let's see if I could just quit one of these things here on my taskbar here. Let's see, quit this here. Because, when you do have a lot of things on your taskbar, that doesn't help either. Okay, let's see. I guess that one's got to stay there. Okay, let's quit this one for now. Oh, no, you can't. That's my Stream Deck. Okay. Anyway, this is what you got. Okay, so let's skip this here. And that's for Socialblade. Now, getting back to YouTube, okay? YouTube has this thing called YouTube Creator, okay? Or Creator Academy. And this here is really good too, okay? I have to honestly say, if you never looked into it, sign up with them. I'm subscribed, as you can see here, and I also have all their notifications, that I will be getting from them whenever they pop out new videos. But what I want to share with you guys is, whenever you come to these YouTube channels, whenever it says show more, click them on, because in there, they're going to have active hyperlinks to not only to the creator that they're talking about, but they're going to probably have other things here. For example, learn more about going long-term success on YouTube with our Creator Academy. And when you click this on, okay, if you look over here with these active hyperlinks, you'll see what they have. Subscribe and hit the bell. For that, that's another hyperlink. I guess that might be for the person's YouTube channel. Then they got Level Up with YouTube Skills, Creative Academy lessons. So let's click one of these on really quick here. Well, actually, they got another one, get step-by-step instructions. Let's click that one on and see where it takes us. Okay. Then it goes on to say here, how can we help? You can describe your issue. Okay, that's fix problems, troubleshoot. All right, well, that's nice to know too, but we don't really want to go that way right now. Let me just click out of here, close these Socialblades. I think I got too many windows up here. You guys can't see it because it's blacked out up there. All right, let's close that out. And I think we got one more to close out here. Okay, all right, so now we got all the YouTube stuff up here. All right, for example, here, here's the one for the Creator Academy. When you click this on here, it's going to probably bring you back to this page. Let's see what we got here. And folks, you got all the information right here. Okay, here you got the Creative Academy. This is another one I looked up here. You could start the course, okay? It says going after long-term success on YouTube. It says lesson 1, evaluate your YouTube journey. Lesson 2, making creative changes. Lesson 3, find your ways to be more efficient. Lesson 4, reaching a wider audience with collabs, okay? And then the course exam. Now, you could take this here. Okay, they also have learning toolkits. Okay, you click that on, and then you can learn. You can get some go live, monetization, and you can read more when you hit these show more buttons. They'll bring it down to more active hyperlinks. Live streaming on YouTube, build and hype with premieres, earn money with super chat and super stickers. Okay, these are the things. If I'm not mistaken, I think they're even what you got there. I could use take advantage of this too with the super chats and super stickers. I believe. I'm quite sure I can. But again, look at this here. Useful downloads, going live on a webcam, going live on mobile, going live with Encoder, and the list goes on and on and on. Okay. I tell you the truth, folks. If people ask me, have you looked into a lot of these things here? I have. I haven't. I'm not going to lie to you. I haven't read everything verbatim here. I normally like to give everything a fine, go over everything with a fine toothbrush, so to speak. But I haven't gotten a chance just yet. Okay, but I want to share. But at the same time, I want to share this information with you guys because what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to work on my YouTube videos right now. Okay, but at the same token, I said let me go help out or put this video out to help people out there that may be looking to start a YouTube channel and they need help. This is the best way to get it. All right, we don't need that one right now, but like here's another one. This is another one from YouTube, which is often here, the YouTube algorithm. Okay, and if you read here again, how the YouTube search works, how YouTube suggested videos work, and so on and so forth. YouTube puts out a lot of information out there for you guys, okay? Especially if you're a newbie to creating a YouTube channel. This is the best way to get the information. And it comes straight from YouTube, okay? Outside of the other one too from Socialblade, which is another good source to starting a YouTube channel. If you don't know how, you know, it'll give you a better idea. So let's click out of here. Here's another one, YouTube Creators. Okay, everything you need to create a YouTube video, right? Or create on YouTube. And then it's got over here, introduction to YouTube Shorts, how things work, getting started on YouTube. Okay, how to make money on YouTube, building your community, growing your channel, programs and initiatives, top questions. Okay, how do I start creating? How do I start creating YouTube? Here's a video, I believe, right? Is this a video here? I think it is a video. You click it on Creative Basics, how to set up and customize your channel. Okay, and the list just goes on and on and on. I mean, yeah, then you could do it if you like. You could upload a YouTube short. I've done a couple of shorts. They're not bad. I mean, you know, they're only 60 seconds, but you know, it's good if you have a. Let's say you're starting out. And you want to just give a little informal, intro to your new YouTube channel. You could create a YouTube short. I think they have 15 second intervals and 60 second, right? And let's say you just want to give a little shout out there. Say, hey, how you doing, guys? My name is so-and-so. I'm starting a YouTube channel. Please check it out if you get a chance. And you could do a little informal, or I should say, a little informal intro to your new YouTube channel. And then from there on, you could also check out, well, there's also Instagram, and then you could do TikTok. I'm on Instagram and TikTok too. I put my videos out there as well. I'm not a big, star on Instagram and TikTok, but I use those platforms to get my message out there. And what's nice about Instagram, you could do it pretty long as far as I know. You could keep, you make the videos a lot longer. TikTok, I have it where they allow me 3 minutes versus the 60 seconds and the 15-second ones. Now, I'm sure the other ones have it, but all I know is I could do a 3-minute video clip on TikTok. Nothing special. I mean, I don't have any big following. I'm lucky I got, 5 or 10 people following me, if that. But for some reason, I seen it there. It says I got I could do a 3-minute a video clip on it on TikTok. Instagram, you could go a lot longer. I believe, don't hold me to it, I think they give you, on Instagram, I think you can record up to an hour, I think. If I'm wrong, could someone please help me with that? I really would appreciate it. All right, I'm going to let you guys go. Have a great day. Until next time, bye-bye for now.